If you're thinking about selling your home, you might be wondering what I should fix before I list, which updates actually increase my sale price, and what renovations, well, just aren't worth it. Because the truth is, not every improvement pays off when you sell. So today, I'm going to walk you through what actually matters before listing so you don't overspend. Not all renovations increase value. And one of the biggest misconceptions sellers have is this, that if you spend money on your home before selling, you'll always get it back. But buyers don't pay dollar for renovations. They compare your home to others in the same price range. So value isn't based on what you spend, it's based on how your home feels to a buyer. If it feels well maintained and move in ready, buyers feel confident, and confident buyers make stronger. Fix what buyers worry about first. Before upgrades, before decorating, before improvements, start with repairs because buyers worry far more about problems than finishes. Things like leaks, broken fixtures, damaged flooring, peeling paint, electrical or plumbing issues. When buyers see problems like these, they assume there are more that they just can't see, and that lowers their confidence and offers. Repairs protects your sale price.
It's important to update what buyers see first. Once repairs are handled, focus on what buyers notice immediately. And this is where many sellers think they need major renovations. Usually, you don't. Most buyers simply want a home that feels current and is in move-in ready condition. And that's very different from luxury. You don't need a dream kitchen. You need a kitchen that doesn't feel dated. You don't need a spa bathroom. You need a bathroom that feels clean and updated. Small visual updates create a big shift in perception. Neutral paint, updated lighting, consistent flooring, refreshed kitchen and bath details. These make a home feel move-in ready, which attracts stronger interest. If you're finding this information helpful and you want a step-by-step look at everything you should do before listing, you may also want to check out my video called Home Seller Checklist, Getting Your Home Ready to Sell. It walks you through the full preparation process from start to finish, room by room, so that you know exactly how to get your home market ready. I'll link that video here in the description below. When selling your home, you have to know what to skip, and one of the costliest mistakes sellers make is over improving before listing. They install luxury finishes that go far beyond the market. And then they're disappointed when buyers don't pay more because buyers compare homes nearby, not renovation budgets. In fact, many buyers prefer to choose higher end finishes themselves. So preparation should align with your market, not exceed it. Also, keep in mind that the ROI on renovation and upgrades are not equal, and not all upgrades garner 100% return on investment. So, it's important to make smart and informed decisions when preparing your home to sell. So, you may be asking, how do I decide what's worth doing? Before spending money, ask yourself, will buyers notice this immediately? Does it improve negative impression? And does it match nearby homes? And will buyers likely pay more because of it? If yes, it's usually worth doing. If no, it's often safe to skip. If you're preparing to sell and want clarity on exactly what to fix before listing, I've created a free guide called What to Fix Before You Sell. It shows you what you should always address before selling, examples of ROI on common updates, and what sellers are usually better off not doing. You can download it using the link in the description below. And if you'd like advice specific to your home and neighborhood, I also offer a room by room walkthrough where we'll review your property together and identify what to do, and more importantly, what not to do before listing. You can reach me at the contact numbers below. Preparing your home to sell doesn't require major renovations. It requires focused updates that build buyer confidence. And that's what gets your home sold faster while protecting your sale price.